How to make a scrapbook, your step-by-step guide to making a scrapbook. HowExpert with Donna Fisher. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. How to make a scrapbook is about the hobby of making a visual diary. While the format of scrapbooking may have changed as new tools and techniques are developed, the reason for scrapping is universal. It is to record precious memories. In this guide you will learn how to select the proper tools to get started. Select the style you want to use. Frame a photo. Matte a photo. Crop a photo. Use the proper adhesives. Journal in your scrapbooks. Save deteriorating photos. Create flow through your albums. Select more advanced tools for scrapping. About the expert. Donna Fisher has been scrapbooking for over 10 years. She has taught classes for beginners and advanced students alike. A teacher, with a master's degree in education, Donna admits to being a hobbyaholic. She and her husband of 25 years enjoy gardening, admittedly made more difficult by 2 Alaskan Malamutes and their grand dog, a collie. Besides scrapbooking, gardening, and training 2 rambunctious dogs, Donna enjoys making soldered jewelry and writing. She does bemoan the fact that housework is not one of her hobbies, but freely admits that the bemoaning is less and less frequent. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.